Oh, you'll feel better after a workout. I've sanitized your sports bra.
Are we even real?
Of course we are. How could they create us?
To make my life better. It has me waking up early.
Here's a tasty breakfast.
The videos you just watched were all generated using Google's latest model, Veo 3. I know you've probably already seen tons of videos about Veo 3, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this powerful tool completely for free. Plus, I'll share a viral YouTube video niche that you can try out using Veo 3. We're going to recreate a viral MrBeast-Style video using only Veo 3. So let's get started. First, open Google and search for Veo 3. Click on the Gemini link. You'll be redirected to a page. Go to the subscription section. Now you'll see that we're eligible to use Google AI Pro free for 1 month. Below that, you'll notice we can access Veo 3 in 2 different ways. One is through Gemini, and the other is through Flow. Click on Get Started, then select Get Google AI Pro. Choose your payment method and complete the setup. Don't panic. Google won't charge you anything because it's a free trial for 1 month. And yes, you can cancel any time before the trial ends to avoid being charged. Once the setup is complete, you can access Veo 3 from both Gemini and Flow. But just a heads up, Gemini doesn't support uploading images, so you can't generate a video from an image. And Flow isn't available in all countries. For this tutorial, I'll be using Gemini. Now, let me show you one viral niche you can try out with Veo 3. Have you watched this viral MrBeast video?
Oh boy.
We're going to recreate it using Veo 3. But before we get into that, let me show you something even more powerful. You've seen how AI can create videos, images, and voiceovers, but what if I told you AI can also make money? Not by running ads or selling merch. I'm talking about building your own AI-powered tools, like an image generator, video editor, or even a full business web app, without writing a single line of code. Let me introduce you to MGX. It's an AI platform where you don't just use tools, you actually create them. MGX gives you a virtual team of AI agents, each with specific roles like team leader, product manager, architect, engineer, or data analyst. You just type out your idea in plain English, and they build the app for you. Watch this. I wanted to build a simple AI-powered website, so I just typed the idea in natural language. Something like, create a clean, modern website where users can upload photos, edit them with filters, and download the final version. Then I hit generate, and instantly, the AI agents got to work. Mike, the team lead, starts planning. Emma writes the feature requirements. Bob lays out the architecture. Alex codes. David analyzes. Within a few minutes, the website was built and fully functional with upload, edit, and export tools all auto-coded. This is just a simple example. You can build far more advanced tools, even full-blown AI products, all from a single prompt. So if you've ever wanted to create your own tool or launch a digital product, this is where to start. I've added the link in the description. Go try it out and let me know in the comments what you build. Who knows, you might be the next AI entrepreneur. Alright, now back to Veo 3 and how to recreate that MrBeast video. First, choose video from these options to use Veo 3 for video generation. Then, go to my description box, copy the prompt from there, and paste it into the prompt box here. You can edit it to change the background, the car, or anything else you want to customize. Now click on Generate. In about 3 to 5 minutes, your video will be ready. Check it out. I know the result is quite good, but not exactly what I expected. Of course, the output depends heavily on our prompt. To make a video like MrBeast, we need multiple footages like this. So, use the same prompt, but make small edits. Adjust the speed, strap damage, and car damage to vary each clip. After generating all the clips, join and edit them using CapCut. Try this niche for 1 month and see the results for yourself. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to make these videos, comment below. I'll definitely make one for you with new prompts and high-quality outputs. See you in the next video. Bye.